In this video, I'll show you how to sell digital downloads on Shopify. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. From the left menu, click Products, then click Add Product. Next, enter your product title, description, price, and upload a featured image. Since this is a digital product, uncheck this is a physical product in the shipping section so Shopify won't require shipping information. After that, click Save to create the product. Now go to Apps, then open the Shopify App Store and search for digital downloads. Install the app, then return to your Shopify admin. Next, open the Digital Downloads app, select the product you just created, and upload the digital file you want customers to receive after purchase, such as a PDF, zip file, ebook, or other downloadable content. Finally, place a test order to make sure customers receive the download link automatically after completing their purchase. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to sell digital downloads on Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.